Qingdao Otilis International Trade Company Limited specialized in the research, development, and production of eyelash and related products. Our products include eyelash extensions, eyelash glue, tweezers, and all kinds of accessories. For eyelashes, we have our own factory, which are located in Qingdao, can produce 150 to 200,000 trays eyelash extensions per month, which are producing products for many large eyelash brands in the world. Our factory offers wholesale service to Lash Distributors, Lash Extensions LLC, Lash Beauty Studio, Lash Training Studio, Eyelash Extension Salon, etc. The products sell well in USA, Europe, Middle East, Australia, Russia, and more than 100 countries and regions. Our warehouse has a large amount of inventory to support the sample, short production time, and fast delivery. Our factory has passed ISO 9001 Quality Systems Certificate. Welcome to visit our factory. You'll see a totally different and more advanced eyelash factory you've never seen before. We have a special quality inspection department. The quality is stable, has been recognized and loved by many customers. What's more, we provide custom service. Accept OEM and ODM orders. We can provide new packaging, private label, design logo, create your own brand. All of these just for offering our customers one-stop purchasing service and better products. Otilis mission: make beauty easier.